See, you have to identify whether this is an odd even function, because odd even function is integration minus a to a f of x dx. The answer is 0 if the function is odd function, and equal to integration 0 to a f of x dx. So whenever you have any function which is in the form of minus a to a, either negative number रहेगा ऊपर positive number रहेगा, number same रहेगा but there will be a difference in sign. So negative should be down, positive should be up. So first of all we have to identify whether it is an odd or an even function. This is for an even function. So odd even function के लिए क्या करने का, पहला f of x को कॉपी करने का, x cube upon 4 minus x square. फिर क्या करने का, you have to find out f of minus x. f of minus x का मतलब है जिधर भी x देखेगा उधर से substitute minus x the whole cube, 4 minus x the whole square. So if f of minus x we are finding, minus x the whole cube is minus x cube, 4 minus x square. So can I say that f of minus x equal to minus, can I say that this part is f of x? So if f of minus x equal to f of x, the function is odd function. If the function is odd function, it means that the rule of integration, that is definite integral, says that integration minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0. See, odd even कैसे identify करने का? If f of minus x equal to minus f of x, the function is odd. And if f of minus x equal to f of x, f of minus x equal to f of x, then the function is supposed to be even. f of minus x डालेगा और f of x आएगा तो वो same आ रहा है तो it is even. f of minus x ढूंढेगा और आंसर अगर नेगेटिव में आएगा, it is supposed to be a odd function. Integration minus 9 to 9 x cube upon 4 minus x square equal to 0. There is a property on definite integrals which says that integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. इसका मतलब है कि 0 to a, this will also be 0 to a, replace x with a minus x. So you get I equal to integration 0 to a, wherever you see x, replace all x with a minus x. So this will become a minus x the whole square. This is a minus x the whole power 3 by 2 dx. That means we get I equal to integration 0 to a, this is a square minus 2ax plus x square, and if you open up this you get a minus a plus x raised to 3 by 2, minus a plus a cut. We get I equal to integration 0 to a, this is a square minus 2ax plus x square, the whole multiplied by x raised to 3 by 2 dx. Now what you do is, you multiply all the terms by x raised to 3 by 2, a square x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2ax multiplied by x raised to 3 by 2 plus x square x raised to 3 by 2 2x. So x you take it as x raised to 1. So this becomes integration 0 to a, this is a square x raised to 3 by 2, this is 2a, x raised to 1 into x raised to 3 by 2 is x raised to 1 plus 3 by 2. I hope the answer will be 5 by 2 plus x, and this should be 7 upon 2 and dx. Now what you do is split the integration, give it to all the terms, 0 to a square x raised to 3 by 2 dx, 0 to a 2ax raised to 5 by 2 dx plus integration 0 to a x raised to 7 upon 2 dx. So I equal to a square is a constant out, 0 to a x raised to 3 by 2 dx, 2a out, 0 to a x raised to 5 by 2 dx plus integration 0 to a x raised to 7 upon 2 dx. So I equal to a square, x raised to 3 by 2 is in the form of x raised to n, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, meaning 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Put a box right here, 0 to a minus 2a x raised to 7 upon 2 upon 7 upon 2, 0 to a plus x raised to 7 upon 2 plus 1 means it will be 9 upon 2, the whole upon 9 upon 2, and I think this will be 0 to a. So this will become I equal to a square bahar, okay, x raised to 5 by 2 and upon 5 by 2 है ना, that will become 2 by 5, reverse हो जाएगा. This will be 0 to a minus 2a, 7 upon 2 will become 2 by 7, x raised to 7 upon 2 in a bracket 0 to a plus 9 upon 2 will become 2 by 9, x raised to 9 upon 2 and 0 to a. So this is 2a square upon 5. ऊपर का वैल्यू पहले डालो तो यू गेट a raised to 5 by 2 माइनस नीचे का वैल्यू बेस का वैल्यू 0 raised to 5 by 2 minus, open this, you get 2a into 2 which is 4a upon 7. This is a raised to 7 upon 2 minus 0 raised to 7 upon 2 plus 2 by 9, a raised to 9 by 2 and 0 raised to 9 by 2. So this is 2 a square upon 5 into a raised to 5 by 2 minus 4 a upon 7 a raised to 7 upon 2 plus 2 by 9 a raised to 9 upon 2, because 0 raised to anything will give the answer as 0. So this is 2 a raised to 2 into a raised to 5 by 2 will be a raised to 2 plus 5 by 2, that is nothing but a raised to 9 upon 2 the whole upon 5 minus 4 upon 7 a raised to 9 upon 2 plus 2 by 9 a raised to 9 by 2. So what we can do is we can take a raised to 9 by 2 common, we get this as 2 by 5 minus 4 by 7 plus 2 by 9. Take the LCM. The LCM is 215 and this is 16. So the answer will be 16 a raised to 9 by 2. When you take LCM, cross multiply and all that, you get the answer as 16. The answer will be a raised to 9 by 2, 16 upon 315. Now let's understand why we are using this formula. See, for example, if you have to solve this sum, पहला तो इसको ओपन करना पड़ेगा और फिर इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. से अगर होल क्यूब रहता था ना तो शायद इसको a माइनस बी द होल क्यूब से खोल सकता था. होल स्क्वायर रहता था ना आई थिंक वी कुड हैव डन a minus b the whole square. खोलने के बाद x square को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं उसके साथ, हर एक टर्म के साथ. But if you have 3 by 2, do you know the expansion of a minus b raised to 3 by 2? No. So if you make it into a single term, that is either अगर ऐसा रहता था suppose इतना ही रहता था तो I think you could have done x square into x raised to 3 by 2. So मेरे को लगता है सीधा x square into x raised to 3 by 2 means directly it will be a raised to m into a raised to m, that is a raised to m plus n. तो इसका आंसर आता था x raised to 2 plus 3 by 2. तो शायद उसका आंसर आता था 7/2. तो खुल जाता था सब. लेकिन इसका एक्सपांशन अपने को मालूम ही नहीं. तो अगर a minus x डालेगा ना तो सब कट के इधर सिंगल टर्म आएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए यू हैव टू यूज द कांसेप्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See, there is no integration for log. If I ask you what is the integration of log x, there is no integration which you can do directly. There is no integration for this. If you still want to do, you can write it as log x into 1 and use integration by parts. But it is a very difficult thing to solve it here. So what I will do is, I'll say that I equal to integration 0 to 1 log, I will take the LCM, so I get 1 minus x the whole upon x and dx. Then there is no integration for log, so I will use the formula integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See, this is 0 to 1, so it is in the form of 0 to a. So what it means is, wherever I will see x, I will replace all x with a minus x. So here, in this case, wherever I will see x, I will replace all x with 1 minus x. अगर 0 to a है तो I will put a minus x, 0 to 1 रहेगा तो I will put 1 minus x. So this will become log inside the bracket 1. जिधर भी x देखेगा उधर सब हमको a minus x डालना पड़ेगा. तो ये केस में we will have to put 1 minus x because I think it is 0 to 1. So I equal to integration 0 to 1 log, if you open up this 1 minus 1 कट हो जाएगा, you get x upon 1 minus x dx. So what we will do is, this will take it as 1 and this will take it as 2. Then we will say add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2 means इसको और इसको add करना. So you get I plus I equal to integration 0 to 1 log 1 minus x upon x dx plus integration 0 to 1. What is 2? X upon 1 minus x dx. So I plus I will become 2i. I think this you can take 0 to 1 integration common. So you get log 1 minus x upon x plus log x upon 1 minus x dx. So we get 2i equal to integration 0 to 1. I'll put a bracket here. This is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b, the formula is log of ab. So this becomes log 1 minus x upon x multiplied by x upon 1 minus x and dx. So we will have 2i equal to integration 0 to 1. I think 1 minus x, 1 minus x, x cut, you get log of 1 dx. And the defined value of log of 1 is 0. So what is the integration of 0? Integration of 0 is 0. So I will be equal to 0 upon 2. Answer is 0. You have to use the formula integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See, why you have to use this formula? See, if the sum would have been without 5, I think you could have opened up. तो क्या आता था x minus x square खुल गया. लेकिन अगर इसको सॉल्व करने का रहेगा इसके हिसाब तो यू शुड नो हाउ टू एक्सपांड 1 minus x the whole raised to 5. A minus b the whole cube, you know, a minus b the whole raised to 4 is difficult to solve, and a minus b the whole raised to 5, that is also difficult to solve. It is not impossible, but there is a specific method to sort it out. So when you cannot open up this, what I will do is, I will give this is 1, okay, I equal to integration 0 to 1. Wherever there is x, in this case replace all with a minus x because it is 0 to a. So if it is 0 to 1, replace all x with 1 minus x. So you get 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 minus x, the whole raised to 5 dx. So you get I equal to integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x, and इसको खोलेगा तो x raised to 5 आएगा. So I equal to integration 0 to 1. x raised to 5 into 1 कर सकते हैं तो उसका आंसर आएगा x raised to 5. x into x raised to 5 करेगा तो उसका आंसर आएगा x raised to 6 and dx. So हो गया, सम खुल गया. तो इसको लिखने का 0 to 1 अलग अलग कर देना इंटीग्रेशन x raised to 5 dx minus 0 to 1 x raised to 6 dx. So what is the integration of x raised to 5? X raised to 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 in the range of 0 to 1 minus x raised to 6 का आएगा x raised to 7 upon 7, that also in the range of 0 to 1. So पहला क्या करो, ऊपर का वैल्यू डालना. ऊपर का वैल्यू इज 1 raised to 7 upon 6 minus 1 raised to 6, I'm sorry, 1 raised to 6 upon 6, 0 raised to 6 upon 6 in a bracket minus 1 raised to 7 upon 7 minus 0 raised to 7 upon 7. So I equal to 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 7. I think the LCM is 42. ऊपर आएगा 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Therefore your answer will be 1 upon 42. Now here you have to use integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. This will take it as 1. We get I equal to 1, 2, 3. Wherever you see x, you have to put a plus b minus x. So here, in the place of x, you put a plus b minus x means 1 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 3 minus x plus 5, the whole upon cube root of x के जगह में we will write 1 plus 3 minus x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus 1 plus 3 minus x dx. Now you must be wondering why all of a sudden I am putting a plus b minus x. See, the first and foremost reason is, if this would have not been there, at least you would have rationalized. But if you have got a cube root, it is not that easy to rationalize. Okay? So इसके लिए you have to make an attempt putting x as or substituting or replacing x by a plus b minus x. I equal to integration 1 to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. I think this becomes cube. Okay, I'll write it there. I'll write it one by one. 4 minus x plus 5. Okay, it will become 9. So this is cube root of 1 plus 3 is 4 minus x plus 5 plus cube root of 9. 1 plus 3 is 4 and minus of minus x will become plus x. So you get I equal to integration 1 to 3 cube root of 9 minus x cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of 5 plus x dx, because 9 minus 4 will give you 5. So I equal to integration of 1 to 3. This is cube root of 9 minus x. Denominator is again cube root of 9 minus x. This you write it as cube root of x plus 5 dx. You cannot simplify more than this, so we name it as 2. Now what you have to understand is, many a times, not always, but many a times when you use the formula integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x, वो करने के बाद जो भी तुम्हारा आंसर आता है उसका डिनोमिनेटर और क्वेश्चन का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है क्या चेक कर लेना है, तो यू कैन प्रोसीड, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव टू go for some alternative method. I'll repeat. Once you replace all x with a plus b minus x, check the denominator of whatever answer you have got with the question. So I am having cube root of x plus 5, either be cube root of x plus 5 है, either cube root of 9 minus x है, either be cube root of 9 minus x है. Numerator को ध्यान मत दो, denominator में ध्यान दो. If the denominator matches, then 99.99% you are on the right track. I can just make a small simplification here. I can write this as 1 to 3. This is cube root of 9 minus x. इसको पहला cube root of x plus 5 लिखना, because question में है ना ये cube root of x plus 5 है, तो उसको पहले लिख देना, plus cube root of 9 minus x. Okay, and this will be dx, and you replace this by 2. Then what you do is add 1 and 2. 1 का left hand side is I, 2 का left hand side is I. 1 का left hand side is I, 2 का left hand side is I. Now you add up the right hand side. Right hand side will be 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of 9 minus x dx plus 1 to 3, ये रहेगा cube root of 9 minus x cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x dx. So I plus I will become 2i. This is 1 to 3. This is cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of 9 minus x cube root of x plus 5 cube root of 9 minus x and dx. So if you check, the denominator is the same, so you are on the right track. So you can take the common denominator as cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x. This will be cube root of x plus 5 and this is cube root of 9 minus x and dx. ये कट हो जाएगा. 2i equal to इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 3 और ये आएगा 1 dx. So 2i equal to, what is the integration of 1? X. X डाल के here you can write 1 to 3. So I equal to 2 को उधर लेके जाना, हाफ, ऊपर का वैल्यू पहले, नीचे का वैल्यू बाद में. So I think that means your I will be equal to, ये 2 रहेगा, ये भी 2 रहेगा, I का वैल्यू 1 आएगा. That means the answer will be 1. I equal to 2 to 5 root of x upon root of x plus root 7 minus x. If you are having a root, you can rationalize. But you just try with a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. मतलब क्या है? x के जगह में a plus b minus x डालना. तो इधर x के जगह में अगर a plus b minus x, ये x के जगह में I'll write a plus b minus x, ये 7 वैसे ही आएगा और ये x के जगह में a plus b minus x करना। ट्राई करना, अगर a plus b minus x सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद if you are getting the denominator same as the question, mean I'm giving this as 1 same as 1, then you can start with the sum or proceed with the sum, otherwise you can do rationalize. My I will be equal to integration 2 to 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, this is 7 minus 6, again this is 7 minus 6, and if you open up this you get root of 7 minus 2 minus 5, तो 7 minus 2 minus 5 means 7 minus 7 कट हो जाएगा, minus of minus x means you get plus x and dx. So I get I equal to integration 2 to 5 root of 7 minus x and d square write it as root x plus root of 7 minus x and dx. इसको 2 देना। अभी ये सॉल्व करने के बाद चेक करो कि 2 का डिनोमिनेटर वॉट एवर आंसर यू हैव गॉट इज सेम एज द क्वेश्चन. Is it same? Yes. This is root x plus root 7 minus x, root x plus root 7 minus x. So immediately what you do is you add 1 and 2. Left ka 1 is I, left ka 2 is also I, and this is 2 to 5. Root x upon root x plus root 7 minus x dx. 2 to 5 root 7 minus x root of x plus root of 7 minus x dx. I plus I is 2i. This is 2 to 5, integration common, you get root x upon root x plus root 7 minus x plus इधर से आएगा 7 minus x root of x plus root 7 minus x and dx. So you get 2i equal to, this is 2 to 5, denominator same है, so you get root x plus root 7 minus x, ऊपर भी आएगा root x plus root 7 minus x and dx. So you get 2i equal to integration 2 to 5, ये 1 dx हो जाएगा because ये कट हो जाएगा, कट होएगा तो 1 आएगा. So you get 2i equal to 1 का integration will be x and this will be 2 to 5. I equal to ये 2 take it to the denominator and this becomes 5 minus 2. I equal to 3 by 2. Basically for these type of sums, the answer is always take the difference of the range, meaning ऊपर 5 है नीचे 2 है, तो 5 minus 2 करना and divide it by 2. Subtract the range, upper range minus lower range, meaning it is b minus a upon 2 will be the answer. Check now. What is b minus a? 5 minus 2. What is it? 3. 3 upon 2 will be the answer. If you check the previous sum, you can reconfirm it again.